Hi guys, welcome to another edition of the Sunday Bake. Today I'm going to make some beautiful rock cakes. These keep really well in an airtight container. They're fantastic with a cup of tea, so let's get started. Into a large baking bowl I'm going to sieve my flour, and then I'm going to add my cold butter which I've diced. Now with my fingertips I'm going to rub the butter into the flour, and what we're looking for is a consistency of fine breadcrumbs. I'm now adding my brown sugar and give everything a really good mix. Add the zest of 1 lemon, followed by 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 85 grams of mixed fruit. And to this I'm going to add 1 beaten egg with a tablespoon of milk. I'm also going to add another tablespoon of milk a little later, but I want to see what the consistency is like when I start to mix it. Of course it will depend on the moisture in your flour. I think this will need that extra tablespoon of milk. It's just a tad dry, so I'm going to put it in now and bring everything together into a nice smooth dough. Lightly grease your baking tray, and with the cookie dough, these are about the size of a golf ball and I'm keeping them about at 3 centimeters apart. Now I'm going to brush a little bit of milk over the top, and we're going to bake these in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You will keep an eye on them until they're nice and golden brown. As you can see, I've kept the texture quite rough and rugged. They are called rock cakes for that reason, so you don't want them smooth, you want a bit of texture there. And just before they go into the oven, I'm going to sprinkle some caster sugar over the top. This is going to go into the crevices and cracks of those rock cakes, making them nice and crunchy. Thanks for joining me on the Sunday Bake. You can find this recipe on thesundaybake.com. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and I'll see you next week.